Hi guys, this is another video of unboxing. I just got this mail today and I'm so excited to open it. So let's check what's in it. So right, we have the model Collect cars RWB version model Collect, and I ordered 3 units for this. And of course I would like to shout out to speed70.com, alright, who helped me to have this beauties. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, again, this is alright. Okay, this was very quick. Right, unboxing for this. Okay, I don't want to make this a very long video. Let's just go. All right, let's do some less talk and just do the unboxing. Okay, so right, perfect. We've got 3 units here. Okay, there we go. Yes, you can see they're really expert with packing this cars. Okay, all right, so we have these colors. Okay, let's see. All right, so I've got the yellow. Yeah, well, I think this is, yeah, it's been in their storage, but yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it's just the packaging, yeah, but pristine. Yes, pristine. Okay, second is this one, the white one. All right, so again guys, I will not going to open it now. All right, so this is just my first review, and the last one is the black. All right, what I like about this black is the mags, or I mean a rim. Yeah, this car is really nice. I find it really nice, although it's black and white. Yeah, but yeah, I think you've seen these cars before. Okay, but I'm not going to unscrew it. Okay, but the casing guys, the packaging itself is really nice. The model Collect company is really making it really nice. Okay, so I just noticed this is a limited edition, 2,000 pieces ever made, and we've got the 950. I think, I don't know, I don't care as long as I got mine. Right, yeah. And also to other, okay, well, this is also limited edition to 2000, but they did not indicate what number is this. I don't know where they put it. Okay, and again, all right, let's see. Oh, this one is 1500, and we've got the 381. Okay, well, anyway, it could be a good sign. But yes, I'm really happy. Again, thank you so much, Speed70, for helping me to get these cars. Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, check their website guys, maybe you might like something and you wanted to buy. Yeah, well, I can say that they have great items. They have limited edition cars, and yeah, probably could be very helpful for you guys. All right, well, anyway, thank you so much and see you again. Have a great day.